Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, brothers and sisters. Lesson 8, Domma, Fatha, Kasra. Let's translate these. Hadallahu, Hudallahi, Sabilillahi. The word Allah has Domma here. So the word Allah is the doer or subject here. Allah guided. Next, Hudallahi. The word Allah has Kasra here. That means the word Allah is in relationship with the other noun. That is Allah's guidance or guidance of Allah. Sabilillahi, Allah's way or way of Allah. Exceptional cases. Yahya, Musa, Isa. This category of names never accept Fatha, Domma or Kasra at the last letter. Now you must be thinking, how will we translate then? Qala Musa. No Fatha, no Kasra, no Domma on the last letter. We translate this as doer, but it depends on the ayah context. Musa alayhi salam said. Musa, exception. Dagger alif, mostly it's the subject, but there are exceptional cases too, which we will study later inshallah. With this, we complete our lesson, alhamdulillah. Any doubts, you can message us or you can mail us at QuranQalbiNooran@gmail.com. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.